What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to capture your HDMI video using this HDMI video capture device. There are many different type of them on Amazon and various price, starting like $12, this one for example, and some of them go up to $100 or even over $100. So this one only cost me like $12 or $13, and when you open up the box, there is literally this little dongle, HDMI to USB, and just the regular instructions. So here's first thing what we need to do. We need to plug in this device into our computer, plug in our HDMI cable here, and then for this video tutorial, I'm going to be capturing HDMI coming from my DSLR camera. So we need to plug in our DSLR or whatever you're going to be capturing into HDMI and make sure it's plugged in into this device, or what kind of device you're going to be using depends on what kind of device you're going to be purchasing, because you can capture not just cameras, but you can also capture Xbox, PlayStation, or any other Raspberry Pi or any other HDMI displays. And on your computer, open your internet browser, and we need to go to obsproject.com, and we need to download OBS Studio. If you're using Windows, download for Windows, Mac, or Linux. I'm just going to download Windows version. Once the download is complete, we need to go through the installation process. Just click on Open File here, or navigate to your downloads and run it from there. And in here, just press yes, and then just go through the installation process. Just next, and install. Once the installation complete, leave check mark here and click on finish. And now this is the program we're going to be using to capture our HDMI video. And then we can minimize our internet browser, and then we can maximize this window. And in here, we need to click on this little plus sign, and we need to choose video capture device. And then you can name it. I'm just going to leave it as default, and then press OK. And then right here, it's already chosen by default USB video, and if it's not chosen by default by some reason, you can just click on this little drop down menu, and then there's going to be a different kinds of options, and then just choose USB video and then press OK. And now you can see how it's actually capturing my HDMI video. And on your camera, you can change and you can remove all the settings from here. For example, we can add more, or we can remove everything and just have flat screen. Or for example, maybe you are doing some kind of video tutorial and you would like to have more info, you can have all that displaying, and at the same time you can be capturing with your OBS Studio. And then in your OBS Studio, for example, you set everything, you can just press on start recording, and it's gonna start recording your HDMI video output. And like I said earlier in this video, there are many different devices out there. I'm gonna put links in the description below for a couple of them, and I'll put for the one that I'm using right now for this video. It's not the best one, but it's one of the cheapest one. It's only cost me like $12 or $13 from Amazon. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.